Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 drones you can buy for under $200. We're talking solid features, decent flight time, and most importantly, a price that won't make your wallet cry. If you're looking to get into drone flying without breaking the bank, this video is for you. We'll break down the pros and cons of each drone and talk about what makes them stand out. Alright, let's get these drones in the air. Remember, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, we've got the Holy Stone HS110D. This little guy is a great all-rounder, especially if you're just starting out. It's super easy to control, even if you've never flown a drone before. Plus, it comes with handy features like altitude hold and headless mode. The camera offers 1080p resolution, good enough for capturing cool aerial shots. You can expect around 13 to 15 minutes of flight time on a single charge. And you get 2 batteries in the box, so you can double your flight time right out of the gate. Overall, the Holy Stone HS110D is a fantastic value for the price. If you're looking for a great entry-level drone that won't break the bank, the HS110D is definitely worth considering. Next up, we've got the Potensic LT. This drone is a step up from the HS110D in terms of features and performance. One standout feature is its GPS, offering stable flight and cool features like Follow Me mode and Return to Home. The T25 handles wind surprisingly well for a budget drone. The camera is a significant upgrade, with better image quality and a 2-axis gimbal for stabilization. Battery life is around 40 minutes per charge, and you get 2 batteries in the box. If you're looking for a drone with GPS and more advanced features, the Potensic LT is worth checking out. It's a great option for those who want more control and stability in their flights. The LT is a solid choice for anyone looking to step up their drone game. Chapter 3. K610 GPS Drone. Easiest to control. This drone is all about ease of use and having fun. One of the coolest things about the K610 is its voice control. You can tell the drone to take off, land, or take a picture. It also has gesture control, making it super fun and intuitive to fly. The camera offers S0NY IMX sensor, UHD 4K 120 dig wide-angle camera, good enough for social media. Battery life is around 22 minutes per battery, and you get a battery included. The K610 GPS drone with camera for adults 4K can achieve more GPS functions through the app. Drone. Follow Me. Circular fly, tap fly, auto return home and other functions. Endless exploration makes flying more fun. It's a great choice for experiencing the thrill of flight without a steep learning curve. Chapter 4. Syma X5C, best for beginners. This drone is super affordable, durable, and incredibly easy to fly. The Syma X5C is basically the definition of a beginner drone. It's almost indestructible, perfect for those first few flights. The controls are super responsive, making it easy to get the hang of flying. The camera offers 720p video resolution, decent enough for casual aerial photography. Battery life is around 5 to 7 minutes per battery, but spare batteries are cheap online. If you're on a tight budget or just want a simple and durable drone to learn on, the Syma X5C is a solid choice. It's a great option for anyone new to drone flying. The Syma X5C is a classic for a reason. Chapter 5. Chuburi X10 Pro. Most portable. This drone is all about portability. It's a foldable drone, making it super convenient to carry around. Despite its small size, the X10 packs in decent features like altitude hold and headless mode. The UHD 4K camera offers high-resolution imagery, allowing you to capture stunning 4:96:3072 photos and 2048x1080 videos. Battery life is around 28 minutes per charge, and spare batteries are available online. If you're looking for a compact, portable drone that you can take anywhere, the Chuburi X10 Pro is a great option. It's perfect for adventures or traveling. Alright everyone, that's it for my top 5 drones under $200. Hopefully this video has helped you narrow down your options. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews.